Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body's design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view are this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here and all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is very important, and this use going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is design. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is this center to this distance between 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter. and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle. Circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click a both circle is press a control button is this both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a this is a 17 millimeter, and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay. Okay, and next is a this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body. Click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. And this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point, is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra, is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction, and this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this two circle. Okay, and all two circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this. This line is also tangent, connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this, is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line, is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and a big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct, but some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and perfect and correct, and next is a use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is a use fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay, and some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch. A line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this to this. Okay, and some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is this is a 54 millimeter. Okay, and two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay, and exit, and again select this face sketch and drawing this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line. Line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select this, and also connect. Select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to, okay, this line to this, okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this, okay, okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter, okay, okay, but this use a inward, but use a, this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect, okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, okay, 98, okay, not connect here because this is use a not a, okay, okay, undo, and some line is a, this is use a, okay, this line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a, okay, this is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here, delete here, this line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter, okay, and also and fillet is used, okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter, okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this, okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more, okay, 36, okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this to this line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a, okay, okay, this is use this, okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a, some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect, okay, this also delete. okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use a 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a, okay, this is a, okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some, okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this, and use a this, okay, because, and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this, select here, and use a first, second, both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine, use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine, and also use this, and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can OK added here, and click OK. Unable to create, OK, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1, and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here, 2 millimeter 45-degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this, and also use a this one by one because this is not use a multiple. Click OK and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this OK, and OK, this use this edge OK, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here and OK. OK, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK, and also this face is select here and use this face, click OK, and this face and this face is OK, and last is a remaining, click this face OK, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. OK, all is perfect looking here. And OK, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.